Hello students, today we are going to see 12th standard business maths chapter 7 exercise 7.1 13th question. Out of 750 families with 4 children each, how many families would be expected to have at least one boy, at most 2 girls, and children of both sexes? Assume equal probabilities for boys and girls. So, first one, let us take what is P and what is Q. So, according to the question, the probability for a boy or a girl is P is equal to 1 by 2 and Q is equal to also same 1 by 2 and N is equal to 4. Now, what is the first question? At least one boy. So what is the formula first? That is P of X is equal to, if we find out probability of distribution, that is Poisson distribution, that is here probability distribution P of X is equal to, what is the formula? NCX P power X Q power N minus X. Now, what is the first question? Probability of at least one boy. So, at least one boy means you have to take it as here at least one boy is equal to P of X greater than or equal to 1, because at least. So, you have to take it 1 or more. So, P of greater than or equal to 1. This should be changed into, that is 1 minus P of X less than 1. So that is equal to 1 minus P of X is equal to 0, because less than 1 means you have to take it as X is equal to 0. So according to this X is equal to 0, we have to use this formula. So 1 minus, what is NCX? NCX means 4C0. 4C0 P power X, that is 1 by 2, we have to take it as 1 by 2 the whole power X, that is 0, Q 1 by 2, that is 4 minus 0, 4 only. So 4C0 1 by 2 the whole power 0, 1 by 2 the whole power 4. So that is equal to 1 minus 4C0 1. And here also 1 by 2 into the whole power 0 is 1. So 1 by 2 the whole power 4, you have to change it 1 by 16. So 1 minus 1 by 16, that is equal to 1 minus 1 by 16. So that is equal to 1 minus, what is the value for 1 by 16? That is 0.0625. So that is equal to 1 minus 0.0625, answer 0.9375. This is for probability of one family having at least one boy. So that is equal to 0.9375. But question is, out of 750 families, so you have to multiply by 750. Hence probability of, we have to find out 750 families having at least one boy. So that is equal to 0.9375 into 750, we will get, that is answer 703. So probability of at least one boy in 750 families is 703 is the answer. The second one is P of at most 2 girls. P of at most 2 girls is equal to P of X less than or equal to 2 or 2 or less than. So P of X less than 2 means, what is the answer for this? How to split this? That is P of X is equal to 0 plus P of X is equal to 1 plus P of X is equal to 2. So according to this we have to use the formula P of x is equal to 0, 1, 2. So that is equal to, first one is for x is equal to 0, we will take 4c0 1 by 2 the whole power 0 plus 1 q power 1 by 2 the whole power 4 minus 0 4. Already we found out that is what is the value for x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 is already found out, but we have one more time we have to do. So P of x is equal to 1, 4c1 and 1 by 2 the whole power 1, 1 by 2 the whole power 3 plus 4c2, that is 2 is the x, 1 by 2 the whole power 2 and 1 by 2 the whole power 2. Now let us see, that is here 1, here also 1, this answer is 1, this answer is 1, here 1 by 2 the whole power 4 and here also if we multiply these two we will get 1 by 2 the whole power 4 and here also 1 by 2 the whole power 4. So let us take the common value for 1 by 2 the whole power 4 is the common. 1 by 2 the whole power 4 is common, means here all the values are 1 only. So inside the term that is 1 plus here 4c1 value 4, because here you have to take out 1 by 2 the whole power 4 and here plus 4c2 which should be changed into 4 into 3 divided by 2 into 1. So that is equal to 1 by 16 into here 2 2s are 4. So 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So 11. So 1 by 16 into 11 we will get 0.6815. This is for one family. So probability of one family having at most 2 girls is equal to 0.6815 means we have to find out of 750 families. So 0.6815 into 750 we will get, that is 515.6. So we have to take it as 516 families. 516 girls, at most 2 girls for 750 families is 516. The next one is P of children of both sexes. P of children of both sexes is equal to P of at least one boy or one girl. P of at least one boy and one girl. At least one boy and one girl. So P of, how to take this? P of, that is at least one girl and one boy means we have to take it as P of x is equal to 0 and P of x is equal to 4 and 1 minus we have to take it as 1 minus P of x is equal to 0 because at least one boy and one girl. So P of x is equal to 0 and P of x is equal to 4. So let us find out according to the formula. We will take 1 minus P of x is equal to 0, that is 4c0 1 by 2 the whole power 0, 1 by 2 the whole power 4 plus 4c4 1 by 2 the whole power 4 and 1 by 2 the whole power 0. So that is equal to, we will take, that is here minus, put one bracket because here also we will get minus only. If we multiply minus, this term also minus and this term also minus. And 4c0 1 and here also 1, here 1 by 16 and here 1 and this also 1 and here also 1 by 16. So what is the answer? 1 minus 1 by 16 minus 1 by 16. We will get 1 minus 2 by 16. That is, if we subtract these two terms, we will get 7 by 8. That is 0.875. 0.875 for one family. But we have to find out 750 families. So 0.875 into 750. If we multiply, we will get 656. 656. So P of children of both sexes, that is for 750 families, is 656. Thank you, students. Thank you for listening. We will see the next sum in the next class. Thank you.